Greetings RC fans, Racing 393. You can see by the title, it's going to be another spending money on RC cars that you don't need to. The Tamiya BBX. It came out a while ago now, around about August 2023. It's been out a while. I bought one when it came out, and there's a video on my channel of me going, well, I've got this, and I'll build it soon. And that was 2023. It's now 2025, and it hasn't been built until now. Now, not in this particular video. This is just an intro. But if you follow me on my channel, I actually the RC hobby is so vast, and what I like, me personally, what I like doing about it is hopping up your RC car. I find that fascinating. I've always enjoyed doing that, even from an early age, when hop-ups and upgrades came out for your car. If I could afford it at the time, I'd buy it. Whether it was needed or not, you could argue all day long. There are some hop-ups and bits and pieces that you buy for your radio-controlled cars, which are performance enhancing. Others are like just bling, and do you need it? Well, that's a matter of, an opinion between whether you want to spend that money on that car or not. Now, the Tamiya BBX, it made the headlines when it came out, mainly because it's very retro. It very much looks like one of these. I've got one of these as well. This was one of my favourite retro RC cars of back in the day. I never had one back then. I went down the Sand Scorcher route, but this retro Tamiya off-road buggy very much resembles the DNA of the Tamiya BBX, and this is where I come in. I'm planning on upgrading this. Now, there is a backstory to this, which I'll go to on the first part of the video. I don't know how many parts it will be. I am aware that people have built this, they've run it, they've raced it, they've sold it, they've moved on. YouTube is a very funny concept with RC cars. I actually still watch people that build cars that have been out like ages ago, and they do kit reviews and builds. That's interesting, because just the very nature of YouTube, a lot of people get the cars, I wouldn't say for free, but they get them perhaps earlier to promote that car. They build it, they use it, they hop it up, and then they leave it and they move on, and that continues throughout. My channel doesn't do that. I get the cars. I'm lucky enough at times when I can afford to buy the cars, and they stay in their boxes for, well, a couple of years, and then it comes out of the box when everyone's moved on, and I do my bit. This is purely the enjoyment of the hobby, and that's why one of the reasons I do this channel. So I'm just wondering what you think. This is just an intro. I've got the parts, so it's a case of just doing a build videos series of the BBX and spending hundreds of dollars on hop-ups and probably trying to justify why I'm doing it. Let me know your thoughts, and please like and subscribe to look forward and be notified of when the series is released. I'll see you very soon.